Hi, hello, welcome back. So for today, let's discuss or let's determine the equation of the circle given the endpoints of the diameter. What if nga ba endpoints lang ng diameter yung given? Paano natin hanapin yung circle at saka radius at saka yung standard equation ng ating circle? So we have here examples. So find the equation whose diameter has endpoints of -3, 8, and 7, 6. Take note na ang radius natin is half ng ating diameter. So, idea, so yung galing dyan na idea, we will now use the midpoint formula. So, ano nga ba yung midpoint formula? Again ha, ito yung sa paghanap ng center. So, sa center, we need to use the midpoint formula. So, ma'am, ano nga ba yung midpoint formula? So, yung midpoint formula, we have here our midpoint that is x sub 1 plus x sub 2 over 2, comma, y sub 1 plus y sub 2 over 2. So, let this be our point 1 and this is our point 2. So, ito yung x sub 1 natin, ito yung x sub 2, ito naman yung y sub 1 at saka ito yung y sub 2. Okay, so let's solve for our center. So, our center will be x sub 1 plus x sub 2 over 2, comma, y sub 1 plus y sub 2 over 2 is equal to, okay, so this will be now, substitute natin yung given. So again, yung x1 natin is -3, yung x2 natin we have 7, yung y1 natin is we have 8, and yung y2 natin we have 6. Okay, so y1 natin we have 3, -3 plus 7 over 2, this comma, 8 plus 6 over 2. So this will be now, C natin is, okay, -3 plus 7, that is 4 over 2. Then we have 8 plus 6, that is 14 over 2. So again, final natin, that will be center natin is 4 divided by 2, that is 2. 14 divided by 2, that is 7. So our center is 2, 7. Okay, so now, how are we going to find the radius? So radius natin, so to find our radius, we need to use distance formula. So let's find the distance from the center going to any point or any point from the endpoints of the radius. So again ha, yung distance formula natin that is, okay, distance formula that is x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus y sub 2, minus y sub 1 quantity squared. So yan yung distance formula natin. Okay, again, let's use our center as our 1 point, and any of this will be another point. So let's have this one, our P2. So our x sub 1 will be 2, that is from our center. Yung y sub 1 natin is 7. Then x sub 2 natin, we have yung isang point dito, we have 7. And the y sub 2 natin is we have 6. So yan yung mga given natin. Okay, so let's find our radius. We have na radius is equal to square root of x sub 2. That is 7 minus 2 squared plus, okay, we have here 6 minus 7 squared. So this is equal to square root ng 7 minus 2, that is 5 squared. Then we have 6 minus 1 plus 6 minus 1, that is -1. So we have -1 squared. So we have here now 25 plus 1. So this is square root ng 26. So ito yung radius natin. Okay? So, ma'am, with our given center and radius, so let's write now our standard form of the equation. So, we have here x, ano yung h natin? We have 2x minus 2 squared plus y minus yung k natin na 7, k, 7 squared is equals to square root ng 26 quantity squared. So, this can be finally written as x minus 2 quantity squared plus y minus 7 quantity squared is equals to 26. So that's how we find our center radius and the standard form if meron tayong given na endpoints ng ating diameter. example number 2. So, what if naman, meron tayong ito. Okay, find the equation of the circle whose diameter has endpoints of 5, 7, and 1/3. 1, 3, sorry. We have here endpoints of 5, 7, and 1, 3. Okay, so we have here, again, first step or first nating gawin, sa center natin, we use x sub 1 plus x sub 2 over 2 that is comma y sub 1 plus y sub 2 over 2. So we have here our center now will be, okay, so our center now will be x sub 1 natin is we have 5 plus 1 divided by 2. Yung y sub 1 natin we have 7. 7 plus 3 divided by 2. So this is C is, we have 5 plus 1 that is 6 over 2. 7 plus 3 that is 10 over 2. So we have our center. Center natin is 6 divided by 2 that is 3. Then 10 divided by 2 that is 5. So meron na tayong center natin. Again ha. So 6 divided by 2 that is 3. Then 10 divided by 2 that is 5. So meron na tayong center. Okay? Then, let's solve for our radius. So, radius natin is square root ng, we have here quantity of x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. So, again ha, itong point ng center natin yung magiging first point natin. Then, pili lang tayo dito sa dalawa kung saan yung magiging second points natin. So, we have here, let's use this one, 5 and 7. So, we have, ano yung x sub 2 natin? That is 5 minus 3 squared plus yung y sub 2 natin, we have 7 minus 5 squared. So, this will be equal to, okay, we have here 5 minus 3, that is 2. So, we have 2 squared plus 7 minus 5, that is 2. So, we have 2 squared. So, this will be, so this is now equal to square root of 4 plus 4. So, this is square root ng 8. Square root ng 8. Or that can be, okay, so that's square root ng 8. Or this can be 2 square root of 2. So, since that is equal to square root of 4 times 2, so get the square root of 4, that is 2 square root of 2. Okay? So, let's now have our center and radius form or our standard form. Since meron na tayong center and meron na tayong radius. So, we have here x minus 3 quantity squared plus y minus 5 quantity squared is equals to square root of 8 quantity squared. Okay, so this will be final answer natin, x minus 3 quantity squared plus y minus 5 quantity squared is equal to 8. So, yan yung um, standard form na equation natin na circle given our two endpoints ng diameter 5, 7, and 1, 3. Okay? So, if may question man, please ask sa comment section below. If wala naman, okay, thank you. I hope you learned something. Again, thank you for watching. Bye-bye and God bless.